Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to friend someone on PUBG Mobile. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to add a new friend on PUBG Mobile, then the first thing to do is to make sure that you are inside your game like I am right now. Now, from the main home page, tap on the Add Friend button located at the top left right under your profile picture. From the friend list, you can tap on the human icon with the plus icon in it at the top right, and you'll be able to see a list of friends you can add suggested on the next page. If you want to add someone from that list, you'll need to tap on the human icon with a little plus in it right next to a profile. Tap it on and enter a message if you want to send them any messages before adding them as a friend, and tap on the send button in order to send a friend request to the person. Once they accept your request, they'll be added as your friend on PUBG. You can tap on the advanced search option as well at the top and type in the nickname of the friend. Here I'm gonna type this name over here, and once you are done with the name, tap on the search button at the right corner. Once you find the person in the search result, tap on the icon with a plus in it right next to their profile in order to send them a friend request. Now you can go ahead and enter a message before sending your friend request if you want to do that, and tap the send button. That is how you'll be able to add someone on your PUBG Mobile game. Once the person accepts your friend request, they'll be added on your friend list. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.